Hurricane Erin is getting stronger and bigger as it moves through the Caribbean. This powerful storm is expected to create dangerous surf along the U.S. East Coast this week. Coastal communities should prepare for intense waves and life-threatening rip currents. Experts warn swimmers and surfers to stay cautious and avoid the water. Emergency crews are on high alert, ready to respond to any emergencies. Make sure to follow official updates and stay safe during this hazardous weather event. Hurricane Erin reminds us of the power of nature and the importance of preparedness.